Welcome to this lesson on data frames. Many real-world data sets are published in tables or spreadsheets. Here's an example: vote counts by borough in the 2017 New York City mayoral election. In R, data frames capture essential features of such tabular data. Data frames have a rectangular shape. Every row and every column is the same length. Rows correspond to observations, and columns correspond to variables. Each column is a vector, and different columns can hold different classes, such as numeric or factor. Tables are a modern subclass of data frames with improved printing. The as_table function can convert a plain data frame into a table. However, most of the time, old-fashioned data frames will work just fine for us. To build a data frame by hand, use the table function from the table package. Provide one vector for each column and ensure that all vectors are equally long. For example, we create ny_mayor by supplying borough names and vote counts as individual vectors. To inspect a data frame in the console, simply type its name. For large non-table data frames, this may flood the screen. Instead, use head to view the first few rows, and tail to view the last few rows. Alternatively, glimpse from dplyr displays a concise summary of row and column numbers, data types, and initial values. Instead of inspecting data in the console, you can also view the information in RStudio's Environment tab. Click the arrow next to a data frame's name to expand its structure. You'll then see each column's name, data type, and a few sample values. For a full spreadsheet view, use the View function in the console or click the data frame's name in the Environment tab. This opens an interactive table in the top left pane where you can scroll interactively through rows and columns. When you need a single column as a standalone vector, two options are available: the $operator, as in ny_mayor $borough, or pull ny_mayor, borough. The $operator is especially convenient for quick, interactive exploration at the console and doesn't require loading dplyr. Let's recap. Data frames are rectangular structures with observations in rows, and variables in columns. Tables offer a nicer console printout and can be created with the table function. Preview data frames using head, tail, glimpse, or the Environment tab. For a full view, call the View function. And to extract a single column, use either $ or pull. Data frames provide a flexible, powerful framework for organizing, inspecting, and manipulating structured data in R. In this course, we will explore many more ways to analyze and visualize data frames, building on the skills you learned in this video.